Daniel Smith paints in a tray. So I'm taking a trip pretty soon, so I got some Daniel Smith paints in a tray. $66, so they're not really cheap. But anyway, I've had really good luck with Daniel Smith paints. So anyway, then it came with like empty pockets, so I filled that up with Daniel Smith from tubes. And here I'm going to do a big doodle here with just to have a dry run with the old paint, what do you call it, tray, and it came out really horrible, and but just playing around here and checking out what the colors are like, and they didn't have dark I really liked, so I grabbed a palette of cheap paints that has darks on there, and so it was coming along. Oh, that's a new brush I got, and that's a new thing I got for, painting details. So you don't have to rest your hand on there. The brush is called Princeton. Never used that kind before. Anyway, there's my big disaster and a lot of fun.